Today we are going to read a story titled The Big Green Scary Monster by Judith Nair. This is a make-believe story about a mouse who decides to go hunting for a big green scary monster. Do you think Mouse will find a big green scary monster? What do you think he will do if he finds one? Let's read and find out. I want to find a monster, squeaked Mouse. It will be fun to see a big green scary monster. A big green monster won't scare me. I know. I'll go on a monster hunt. Mouse set off down the road. Suddenly, he heard a loud sound. Crunch, crunch. Do you think a monster is making those crunch sounds? Let's find out. It must be a monster, he thought. A big green scary monster. The sound got louder. Mouse looked around until he saw Cat. Cat was eating her breakfast. What are you doing? She asked. I'm on a monster hunt, said Mouse. I'm looking for a big green scary monster. Do you want help? Asked Cat. Yes, said Mouse. I need all the help I can get. Monsters are very big. Mouse and Cat walked down the road. They heard a loud sound. Splat, splat. Do you think a monster is making that splat sound? Let's see. Cat whispered. It must be a monster. A big, green, scary monster. The sound got closer. The sound got louder. It was Dog. He was hitting a flea. Where are you going? Asked Dog. We're hunting for monsters, squeaked Mouse. We're looking for a big, green, scary monster. Great, said Dog. Could I come with you? Sure, cried Mouse. Hunting for monsters is hard work. Look at that big shadow. What do you think is going to happen next? Mouse, Cat, and Dog walked down the road. They heard a loud sound. Grrr, grrr. It must be a monster. A big green scary monster, whispered Dog. The sound got closer. The sound got louder. Grrr, grrr. And louder. Grrr, grrr. It was a monster. A big green monster. Mouse, Cat, and Dog took one look at the monster and they started to run. The monster ran after them. So they ran faster and faster. Wait, wait, called the monster. Come back. I just want to go with you. Mouse, Cat, and Dog looked at the monster. He was big, he was green, but he didn't look scary. Okay, said Mouse, you can come with us. Will you help us find a big green scary monster?